It's finally here. The Dubai frame that all of us have been waiting for. This promises to be the main attraction in Dubai for the coming years, and it is finally open. And we are the lucky few first people to actually go and experience it. So we're going to go up to the Dubai frame. Follow me. The elevator that takes us to the top of the Dubai frame. 1 minute 50 seconds to reach the top. Let's do it. It's really scary if you actually look down. The view is absolutely stunning. You can see the Burj Khalifa and the Emirates Towers in the distance. That's what the Dubai frame is actually going to frame. So from the old town, you can see the newer part of Dubai. And on the other side, if you look at it from the new Dubai side, you get quite a breathtaking view of the older side of Dubai. That's the Dubai frame for you. The perfect coming together of the past and the future. And of course, no attraction is complete without a souvenir shop.